From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with aches and pains from a sagging mattress? What if I told you there's a game changer, the rollable floor mattress frame, queen bed support, and it's about to revolutionize your sleep? This bed frame is not just any ordinary frame, it's packed with features that will make you wonder how you ever slept without it. With its corner protection design, you don't have to worry about bumping into sharp edges. The touch is round and polished, protecting the health and safety of your family members. The frame is also incredibly durable, made from solid wood material. It's smooth and burr-free, providing a comfortable and breathable surface for your mattress. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. One of the standout features is the LED lights, which provide a warm and cozy ambience, making it easier to drift off to sleep. The frame also has extra storage, which is perfect for storing bedding, out-of-season clothes, or even luggage. The foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, and the nylon belt connection keeps everything secure. In real life, this product is a lifesaver. Whether you're using it for a sofa bed, a solid wood bed, or even a slatted bed, it provides a firm surface that supports spinal good posture, and the breathable hardwood bed cover keeps your mattress dry and fresh. The spine protection feature is especially important, as it provides a firm surface for your back. Regardless of your age, you can use these bed slats to support your back and maintain good posture. Overall, the rollable floor mattress frame, queen bed support is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their sleep. It's comfortable, durable, and convenient, so why not give it a try and start waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.